Hi guys, welcome to Simply Hike. Here we have the Dakine Heli 12 backpack. So this is a women's specific fit version of this, and this is really it's a compact little 12 litre backpack, but the main thing is it's got all these kind of clever straps and systems on the inside for your skis or your snowboards or your snow shovels, you name it. It can kind of pack it on the back. So first of all, I'm going to show you the actual straps. So this is how it attaches onto yourself, so ergonomically cut, so it's more designed for a female specific fit, so it's going to be much more comfortable. You do have a sort of a bungee or sort of elasticated chest strap. This has got a little emergency whistle on it as well, so that's quite handy just to stay safe on the slopes. You've got a waistband as well with a pinch clip, so you can adjust that and really sort of hold this onto your back with your skis or your board on the back of that. You've got a couple loops on here, so you can either clip things off onto that or some hydration. You can sort of loop that over there and keep that in position. Bit of spine protection on the back as well, so that's going to be nice and comfy on your back. It's not going to dig in at all. Okay, moving on to the work. So starting up at the top, so we've got a grab handle, really big grab handle, so even if you're wearing clunky gloves, you can still grab hold of that, plenty of space there. Right at the top, down in this section here, we've got a padded section, so for either for your mask, your goggles, or your keys, or whatever you want, your phone, something that's not going to scratch. You can stow that away in there, decent sized pockets, and it's fleece lined as well, so it's not going to scratch. You've got this big pouch on the outside, either for your helmet, you name it, kind of stow that away in here, but lots of clever straps. There's one in here, a little pinch clip, adjustable strap. You've got this strap here, so you can either diagonally sort of stow your skis away in that, vertically your snowboard, because that attaches to this section, you can unclip that and then sort of clip it down over the top. But then diagonally across from that, up on this corner, we've got another little zipper, and this has a little strap tucked away on the inside, and that can just be extended to wrap around your skis and keep it nice and secure. Okay, the main section of the pack, if I just undo this and then unzip the actual main section, which you'll use as a day-to-day backpack. So 12 litres of space, so not a great deal, but you do still have a fair amount of space in that. Little bit of organisation, so you can store things and keep them nice and organised. But other than that, it's just a big open section. You've got a loop up here, a Velcro loop, either for your hydration pack, just to keep that upright, and then a little section there that will just get to the back padding. But other than that, it's just a simple backpack. So all in all, very smart. It's more designed for the skiers to be nice and practical. You've got all these kind of pinch clips to stow everything and keep it all kind of secured on your back whilst you're sort of hiking around in the snow. This is the Dakine Heli Pack 12 litres. Thanks for watching and safe hiking.
Hey guys, welcome to Simply Hike. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Superfeet Carbon. So yeah, it's an insole. Thanks for watching and happy try. No, basically, this is a great low profile insole. So if you do actually have good arches and you want to keep having good arches, especially if you wear like maybe some kind of trainers or like Vans or something, that's fair. It's got very flat kind of insole to it.